Hello everyone, welcome to Just to Get By Gun Holsters. As you've seen on the last video, I talked about making a actual rifle holster for my 22. I did complete that holster. It looks great. I'm going to show it to you. Pretty much it's a back holster. It is with the Velcro on it. Goes on your back. Pretty much. Came out really good. Here's my 22. There she go. So you guys can see it. Real easy holster. Real easy holster. Just to get by. Just to get by holster. Alright, thank you for watching that. Alright, okay. In the meantime, we are going to build you an ankle holster for a CPX-1, okay, today. So here we go. Let's get started. Set it in here. Oh, whoop, first. Sorry about that. Safety first. Nothing in the clip. Nothing in the chamber. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. Pretty much. That's cut this a couple times. Get it perfect. That's what you want. Perfect. Perfection. Perfection. Good thing. Again. Okay. I'll take it straight across. Right here. Let's take her up. There, let's take her up. We probably can cut off a little bit more. Oh yeah. See what this gives us. Yeah, that's gonna be perfect right there. Okay. Put a little tape on here. Hold in position. Get it started. Just to get by holsters, I still want to put my best in it. My best in it every time. I'm going to take her up, but maybe about right here. Yeah. Okay, we can cut her up a little bit more. Actually, looking pretty good so far. About a good, about a half an inch. Yeah, it's got just a little bit of the burl hanging out, not too much. We'll close that in right there. Perfect. We're gonna cut it off in a little, put a little curve here. Okay, and it just reinforces a little bit more tape, just so it's perfect. Okay. Awesome. I just like doing this stuff just to kill time, and it's relaxing. Sometimes you just get off work, you just want to do projects. And me, I love doing it. It's very relaxing to me. Just making a holster. The gun don't get hang up the trigger, you can't touch the trigger, which is really safe. A couple friends I know had a Glock, and their trigger was getting hung up on the holster. And man, that is dangerous. Nobody want a gun discharging. Dangerous. Got it going up to the sight. Now I'm gonna put a little slit at the top right here where the sight's at, so it'll go in perfect, you know. Fold it back. Let's fold it back a little bit so that, you know, got that little lip on it. Then we're gonna cut that little lip off. Want it look perfect. So, you notice I try to keep my work area clean when I'm making these things. Like I said, it's very relaxing doing it. Look at her. She's looking really good, really good. Okay, that's part one of it. And now we're going to just make the, actually, I don't know if I told you what holster I was making, but if I didn't, we're making an ankle holster for the CPX-1. So, I believe I might have told you, but if I didn't, it's the ankle holster for the CPX-1. Nice gun, it's a very nice gun. And in fact, I just went out and bought a couple guns, which I will mention on the next video, that you actually see them. Look there, wow. Can't beat it, man. You can't beat it with a stick. Okay, now that we have that part done, now what we want to do is take the material that's left over and basically just cut a nice little straight line here. Man, it gets more easier than this. Yes, I'm a clean freak. Basically, this part we wrap around your ankle. Okay. So, yeah, that's a pretty big ankle. But I have big ankles, so here we go. We're gonna put some Velcro on this. Okay. Right size, got a little bit, snip off, the right size. There we go. Okay. It doesn't even take long to make these things, but, you know, you can really enjoy making them as well. You might be going somewhere in a rush and you want to try to make a holster. You don't have a holster on you. You know, don't have one. Didn't get a chance to go by the store and get one. And, you know, so you can just make your own holster, ankle holster or gun holster. Anyway, any holster that you can make. You can keep watching these videos. I talk about pretty much every holster. You know, I'm going to be making every holster. I done made the pocket holster, I done made the ankle holster, and now I made the rifle holster, and this is the ankle holster it's the one that has the band down at the bottom, so it's look like the band ankle holster. But now we're going to put this together with this bad baby. Pretty much, and that's gonna end this. I'm gonna use my stapler gun now. Something I haven't been using. My stapler. Put a couple of staples in there. Get a bad one, it's okay, perfectly fine. Work it out and start over. Okay. Let's go on this side. Put one on this side. A couple of them. There we go. Now I don't like the way that the stapler may feel or maybe rubbing up against my firearm, so we're going to put a little strip of tape in there. Just so it doesn't do that. And the part where it don't rub up against your ankle. Okay. Bring this right on around here. Oh yeah, that's nice. Cut this excess tape off. Okay. And okay. Now we're gonna go on the inside. Okay. Go. There we go. So, that. There you go. Ankle holster for CPX-1. Okay. Nice, nice. Thanks for watching Just to Keep Our Gun Holsters.